The MMC Digital Lab is the research and creative development team for the Media, Marketing, and Communication Scholars program. Students working in the Digital Lab do not need to be in the MMC program, but a strong willingness to learn is required. The creative development team of the Digital Lab has two departments, graphics and video. The graphics team uses the Adobe Creative Suite, such as InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop to create graphics for both the MMC Scholars program and for the Honors and Scholars Center. In the first semester on the graphics team, most students will spend their working hours simply learning the Adobe Creative Suite. The video team also uses Adobe Premiere Pro, Audition, and After Effects to create visual content for both the MMC Scholars program and for the Honors and Scholars Center. On the video team, you will have the opportunity to work hands-on with professional video equipment and gain practical video production experience. Because the MMC Digital Lab is a federal work-study position, your work schedule can be incredibly flexible with your class schedule. Most students work an average of 5 to 10 hours per week. Working in the MMC Digital Lab is a great opportunity for students planning to work in media-rich fields like video, design, and marketing because it gives them a chance to learn while they work on a team.